All right, so here's the problem I have. I have a Dyson V7 Motorhead. Had it for years. Wife uses it all the time. She's a clean freak, and she likes to clean, so she's using this constantly. This thing's dead. So basically what it is if you have it on normal, it'll last for a little bit. If you put it on max, it's dead within 19.8 seconds. I just tested it, and it only goes to 19.8 seconds. So what do? Replace the battery. You can do that. Amazon has batteries you can use. What you do is there's a screw here and a screw here and here, right here, here, and then the one right here. Three screws. Take those out. Thing comes out super easy. Look how easy that is, right? You can buy one of these. What it is an adapter. But you can use it on Makita, DeWalt, Milwaukee, Bosch, Black & Decker. And it says you can allow the use of the 18 volt batteries, but I've used 20, and on Amazon everybody was using 20 and it worked just fine. But I thought this was a cool, unique little thing that I could show you and how easy it is to replace this. I thought it was gonna be hard. It's 3 screws, one here, and one here. There's 3 screws. Pops out, you put another one back in, put the screws in, and you're done. Heck, you don't even have to put the screws in, it's already ready to rock. 2 amp hours was 16 minutes and 29 seconds. 2 amp hour at max was 13 seconds. 5 amp hours was 41 minutes and 22 seconds. 5 amp hour max was 11 minutes, 2 seconds. 6 amp hour was 52 minutes and 14 seconds. And 6 amp hour wet max was 16 minutes, 14 seconds. You have to go down in the description. It shows all my links to everything. And yeah, I appreciate you watching the video. Have a good one.